Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by inserting the image into the sheet so you can fix placement and scaling. First, choose Insert Image and decide whether to put it in cell or over cells. In cell locks to grid, over cells floats. Once done, check the file type and size because Sheets handles PNG and JPG better and large files slow the sheet. Make sure you can see the image handles. If not, toggle view or zoom so you can proceed with exact adjustments. Now refine how the image fits your layout by resizing, cropping, and anchoring. You can drag the corner handles for coarse resizing and use Format Image options for exact pixel changes. Keep aspect ratio checked to avoid distortion. For cropping, open the crop tool to remove margins rather than stretching. Then pick anchoring. Set the image to move with cells if you expect row resizing, or fix position if you want it stable. These steps finish by aligning and locking the image so it stays correct across edits. Use the Arrange menu or Snap to Grid to align with adjacent cells and set wrap text or row height to match. This ensures consistent layout when you share. If the image looks blurry, replace it with higher resolution or change zoom. Sometimes Sheets compresses images. If the image disappears or won't update, clear your browser cache, re-upload the file, and make sure collaborators have permission. This usually resolves display issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.